In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome notifications. Full guide. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, move down through the list and select Settings. Chrome organizes its settings into different categories, and the one we need is related to privacy and website permissions. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. After opening Privacy and Security, focus on the main area of the page. Find and click Site Settings. Now you will be taken to the Site Settings page. Look for the section labeled Permissions. Under Permissions, find Notifications and click it. On the Notifications page, look for the Default Behavior section. If notifications are currently allowed or if websites are allowed to ask, you may continue seeing prompts or pop-up alerts from different sites. To stop this, select the option that prevents sites from sending notifications. In Chrome, this option is labeled as the setting that does not allow sites to send notifications. Once that option is selected, Chrome will no longer allow websites to send notifications by default. That covers everything you need to know about stopping Google Chrome notifications.